everyone! Welcome to another tutorial! Nabasa ko na marami sa inyo are a bit hesitant on how you can use Canva for your editing, for editing your video or your thumbnails or just doing any design, right? So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is to show you how easy and friendly Canva when you use it. Ang ginawa ko dito is I signed up for a free subscription. So I think that would be the wisest way to do that if you just wanted to try it, because signing up for premium or for pro, that would actually cost you a bit, right? So ngayon, if you just wanted to try it out and see if this is something that would work for you and you wanted to use to design kung ano man yung kailangan nyo, like if you're a YouTuber, if you wanted to edit or design your thumbnail, or if you wanted to design card, etc. Sobrang daming ino-offer ng Canva. So here, this is the homepage. I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to design something, because they have a lot of different free templates na dito sa Canva that you can utilize, or you can also create your own from scratch by using yung mga free naman na mga like background colors, yung mga elements, like they even have GIF for this. Meron din silang mga iba't ibang stickers, etc. So you'll see that later on. So now what I'm gonna show you is ano yung mga pwedeng makikita nyo na agad here in your homepage. So when you sign in, so this is me. When I sign in, this is the parang ito yung dashboard mo, ito yung homepage mo. And then you're seeing here at the top screen yung parang mga menu options mo. So here, dito pa lang, pag hover over mo dito sa templates, sobrang dami na niyang ibibigay sa'yo ng mga options that you might need, right, to start your design. So in your social media, bibigyan ka na niya ng mga free options on what to use for your Instagram story, for Facebook, for YouTube, etc. And if you're doing like a business, or like for personal use, they have templates for invitation, for card, for resume, for postcard, etc. And here for business, for marketing, so sobrang dami, right? So ako, usually, I use Canva for YouTube channel art just to make my thumbnail for my YouTube channel. And as well as, I also use this card because I'm currently doing or designing my faith journaling card that has already come out in the market, so if you guys want to buy it, just plugging in. So anyway, papakita ko lang sa inyo how I actually use Canva. So maybe we can start with YouTube channel art. Okay, so when you hover over it and click on YouTube channel art, this is what it will give you. So meron ka ng YouTube channel art templates. Here, makikita mo yung mga iba't ibang klaseng mga design na available na for you to use. But, you have to keep in mind, hindi lahat libre. So, when you hover over and see free, definitely, libre siya. But when you see this sign, it means paid. So, that means, you can use it while you're designing, but when you try to download it, you cannot download it. You cannot download it in any format unless you pay for it first. Alright? So, just so you will not be disappointed that you cannot download anything, keep in mind to use the free version if you don't want to pay any. Alright? So, for now, I'm just gonna show you if you wanted to create a blank YouTube channel art, and then maybe we can play around kung ano yung mga free elements or whatever na meron sila. So, click on this. There you go. It will actually give you another tab automatically. I'm not sure if it's the same with Windows. I'm using Mac. But this is how it is. So, you'll have another tab in here where it will give you this blank canvas, alright, for you to design. And here on your left panel, you will see the different options for you to play around. Ang maganda dito sa Canva, it will already provide you with different designs. Like for this template, kanina na nakita na natin to, but maybe, kung halimbawa, Canvas is still giving you a chance to change your mind. If you don't want a blank template or a blank canvas for you to work on, you can still use any from this one, right? So if you've, right now for this tutorial, we'll just use this blank one so that we can play around. So here, you can also click on background, and then it will give you all of these ones that are that you can use for your design, right? So also make sure, take note that you're only getting the free versions, all right? And then on the top, it will also give you an option if you just want a solid color. So let's try one. So I'm just gonna show you this, like this one, right? So this is orange. So what did I do? Let's just delete it first. Before I click into this, so when I click on this one, it automatically fill in my blank space, right? So it's so easy to use. You just have to click and then it goes there. Click on here, it goes there. There you go. It's just a little slow, but it goes there automatically. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-scripting or mag-command or type, mag-code, etc. It's just click and go, right? Yung iba, sabi nila, you have to just, click and drag. So let's try that as well. There you go. So you can do that. So what I did was I click on it and I just drag that particular design. So ganun lang siya kadali. Click, it will fill up. Click and drag, it's just the same. So, diba, sobrang dali lang niya. Oh, what are the next steps that we can do? So say let's just, let's use this one. Parang wall lang siya. So ngayon, let's try to include other set of elements. Maybe here, you see here, you can actually have a lot of different options that you can put into, right? So, nakikita nyo ba itong parang menu option na naman or burger? It's actually the filter thingy. Click on that. Makikita nyo dito yung availability, free and pro. Definitely, we don't want to pay, so let's click on free. So, what did it do? What it does is, it will just show you all of the free elements that you can use para kapag tapos na yung design mo and you wanted to download it, hindi ka magkakaproblema na sisingilin ka nila and then you just have to go back from scratch, right? So, mas maganda na sa simula pa lang, lahat ng papakita nila dito sa'yo, yung free na pwede mong magamit, alright? So, let's see. Maybe, let's try walking. This one. So, since wall naman yan, so let's try this, right? So, there you go. Let's put them there, and maybe let's try this. Let's put on. So, I just click on it again. I didn't do anything. And then, double click on that so that you can edit it and then type. So, ngayon, meron ka ng design, di ba? Super easy. Walang 5 minutes. You have it. You have it right there. And so, now, I'm just gonna show you how you can download it. Also, let's try, I'll give you one more tip. So, this one is for transparency. So, right now, nakaklik ako sa background. Hindi dito sa font, hindi dito sa picture, pero dun sa mismong background, yung wall background natin kanina. And then, let's see what will happen if I will adjust the transparency. So, let's say we want it 50. So, nakita niyo yung difference. Let's go back to the original. Let's adjust it again. See? It just gives you the option na kung gusto nyo hindi ganun ka-apparent yung kung ano man, kung background man or yung picture, then you can adjust the transparency. Okay, maybe let's just do that. 70, maybe 75. Okay? There you go. And then, if this is good for you, you're satisfied with it, and you wanted to download it, just click on download. And then here you can see you have a lot of options. You want it as PNG, like PNG is like a high quality image ng JPEG. So JPEG is what we usually save our photos or images. But I usually do the PNG so that if I wanted to print it, it has that crisp resolution of the photo. You know, if you did insert some of the some sounds or maybe a clip, or you did your editing here, then you can download it for MP4 as well. You can also make a GIF. Some of this we'll just do another tutorial, but for the sake of this initial tutorial, we'll just, you know, download this as PNG. And then, see, hindi ako sinisingil because we just use everything for free. So, just click on download. And there you go. You'll have your PNG downloading for free. And then you can use, or you can already use that for your Facebook, for your YouTube, you know, for Instagram, wherever you wanted it, or if you wanted to print it, you can also print it, right? So let's see. There you go. So this is now your file. So see, it's very easy. You just have to play around it. You don't have to be that very good of an editor. You know, it will eventually come if you wanted to make your own design, but I think with what Canva has, with the vast options of templates that it offers to you for free, you can start, you know, using it. Alright? Okay. Thank you guys so much. I hope you learned something today, and if you wanted to, you know, have more of these videos, I'm not a pro in Canva, you know, but I can share whatever it is that I have learned. I'll be happy to share it with you. But for now, thank you. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe on our YouTube channel, and also give this video, you know, a like, and share it to your friends if you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.